everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Happy Use here again, and you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be learning how to cook. Okay, yes, disclaimer, it's not like I don't know how to cook, but my mom is going to be teaching me how to do some things, some small chops and the rest. So in other words, she's going to be teaching me how to cook. Yes, she's going to be teaching me how to cook. So many of you will come after me right now that I don't know how to cook. Thank you. Anyway, this video I'm going to be splitting it into 3 parts, so it will not be too long. The filling process, the wrap process, then how to do the main small chops himself. Am I correct? I don't know if I'm right, but I'm going to be dividing this video into 3 parts. Please, before you click out from this video, make sure you watch this video to the end, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit on the subscribe button down here, and drop your comment in the comment section below. That is when you're done watching. If you feel this video was helpful, please drop your comment in the comment section below. So guys, let's jump right into the video. So guys, these are the ingredients we need for the samosa and spring roll. I'm going to be going with the samosa first. The samosa, we need beef. You're going to buy your beef, cut it into smaller chunks, or blend it if you have the blender for blending your meat or grinding your meat. I don't know which one is correct. So if you have that, you can use it to you can use it to blend your meat. It's going to save you more time and energy, unlike I used my hand and it was so stressful. So the next ingredient you'll be needing is your onions. You need ginger, you need garlic. So you need a bunch of garlic. Then you need yellow pepper. So this yellow pepper, you just need like 3 pieces. So the next thing I'll be needing is carrots, and you need spring onions. You don't just need spring onions, you need the spring onions that is the green part, you need the down one as well. You need cabbage. So guys, this is just for samosa, and after that you now need your seasoning cube. Put to taste. Cabbage, onions, carrots, mommy, green pepper, then spring onions, right? These spring onions. So you're just going to put small oil. Mommy, is it that supposed to be telling us? Okay, she's frying her onions first.
You can add the best, all the ingredients, everything, the spring onions.
Okay, the spring onion,
Pepper, green pepper.
every single thing. Okay. Oh, that very moment, I'm learning how to cook food.
The cabbage.
Okay. Okay.
Ginger and garlic.
Ginger, garlic, and
Yellow pepper. And this is Maggi.
Okay.
Add Maggi.
So any seasoning cube at all.
Yes, you can do it. You tell guys.
Okay.
If there is water, you leave it.
Okay, now if there's water inside the cabbage,
to leave it to dry.
Okay,
you continue turning.
Okay.
If there is water, you turn and stop. Let the water to dry.
Okay, that is if the cabbage is bringing out water.
Yes.
Okay. But since this cabbage is not bringing out water, you just keep on stirring and stirring and stirring. Okay, mommy would not put salt. No need of salt. But you have to test it before we put salt now.
Because of the marrow. Just pinch of salt is okay.
Okay, so that salt part is actually optional.
No, not optional. Put salt, what salt?
Okay, I have to put salt.
Add pinch of salt.
Okay, she just added a pinch of salt. Pinch! Pinch, very small. You have to make sure you keep on stirring this so it won't get burnt. This is just it. The next part is just to add my beef inside. This one is to add beef inside. Okay, this one is for spring roll.
No meat.
Okay, this one, you don't need meat for this one. I'm going to show you people the one for samosa. Samosa sauce, right? Okay, this samosa sauce is your meat, your cabbage, carrots, green pepper, yellow pepper, ginger, spring onions. Mommy, did I get it?
And this thing.
And what?
Curry.
Curry, your Maggi, and your pinch of salt. So this one was the video I showed you. In fact, the same way you do this one is the same way you do this one, but different pattern of cutting. And this samosa, this one you will not put meat, but this one, the way you dice this one is different from the way you dice this one. This one you're going to dice it like you want to do all those long salad cutting, but this one you're going to chop it into smaller pieces as if you want to do your meat pie. Mommy, did I get it correct? Clap for me.